Looking like a model is only part of the picture. What really makes a photo stand out is knowing how to pose, express emotion, and create shots that feel natural and eye-catching. Whether you want to improve as a model or simply look better in photos, these tips will help you bring more confidence, variety, and impact to every shot. Mastering the poses. Relax your posture slightly, but keep your head up. A small slouch can make your pose look more natural, especially if you shift your weight unevenly so one leg bends a little. Just avoid slouching too much. Keep your whole body active and full of energy. Engage your core and limbs so your pose looks strong, balanced, and confident. The goal is to show life and intention in every part of your body. Be asymmetrical. For a more interesting shot, let each side of your body do something slightly different. You can tilt your head, drop one shoulder or hip, change your arm heights, or bend one leg more than the other. Point your nose away from the camera. Instead of facing straight on, turn your face slightly and keep your eyes toward the lens. Try small head tilts and angles to find what looks best, and pay attention to how the light falls on your face. Look everywhere. You do not always have to look at the camera. Looking off to the side or at something else can make your photo feel more natural, curious, and interesting. Try a 3/4 angle instead of facing the camera straight on. Turning your body slightly can create a more natural, flattering photo and help highlight your best side. Remember your hands. Keep them relaxed and natural so they don't look awkward, and avoid placing them around your face. Mastering the techniques. Use a gentle smile. Keep it soft and natural, with your lips slightly parted for a relaxed and pleasant look. Create intensity. Do not look blank or distracted. Feel the mood of the shot and let real emotion show through the camera. Be tasteful. No matter what you wear, aim for a look that feels confident, classy, and natural. Let your outfit and posture do the work without overdoing the expression. Keep changing your poses often. Small shifts every few seconds will give you more variety and increase your chances of getting a great shot. Hide your flaws by using poses that highlight your best angles. Small changes like turning your body, adjusting your chin, or shifting your hips can make a photo look more flattering and balanced. Practice as much as you can. Use a camera or phone to test different poses, outfits, and props so you can learn what looks best on you. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to find flattering, natural poses. Study photos with a critical eye. Notice how models use their hands, posture, face, and expression, and learn from poses you like. You don't need to copy them, but their habits can help you improve your own style. And working on a shoot. Listen to your photographer. Follow their guidance, stay relaxed, and be open to feedback so your poses look natural and confident. Breathe. Keep your breathing calm and natural so your body stays relaxed and your pose looks more effortless. Don't worry too much about your look. Even if the style feels unusual, wear it with confidence. The key is to own it and make it work. Visualize a feeling or mood before the shot so your expression looks more real and powerful. Thinking about a specific emotion can help your face and body match the style of the photo, making the pose feel more natural and expressive. Thanks for watching.